Hi everyone, I have a Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's 1999. I believe this issue can happen with any of Jeeps from 1999 to 2004. It's a Jeep Grand Cherokee WJ. So the issue I have right now, you will see. When you put key in and turn ignition on, you will see all gauges is coming up, everything is fine except voltmeter. It's just slightly moved to the right and sitting on 9 volts. So when I start the engine, my check gauges light is on, Jeep is running, but voltage is still reading 9 volts only. It's kind of not bad, it's working. You see now you have an issue like ABS light, brake light, it's shaking, and mileage gone from the digital screen. And when you try to accelerate, it's definitely not performing really well. Let me show you something else about. Another thing, my voltage is reading right now, it's about 18 volts. Engine is shaking. It's slightly apart now because I already found the issue and I want to share this issue to everyone. So I stopped the engine because it's definitely not healthy to work in same condition. I read a lot of articles about the issue. There are a lot of rumors how to get it fixed. Some guys just found bad grounds, bad B+ wires to battery posts. Some fix it with by alternator replacing, but unfortunately it's not my case because this Jeep was maintained pretty well and I know it's not the issue. So let's go to the root of the issue. If you make some researches, you will figure out all modules in this Jeep, they are communicating by PCI bus and PCM and cluster communicating same way. So I turn ignition back on and you see fuel gauge is on, other things on except voltmeter. It led me to the thing it's not communication on the PCI bus, so no reason to take it apart and make any kind of testing. Besides that, I already show you battery charging voltages over 17 volts, so obviously alternator is good and I measured it on the battery itself, so wiring is good as well. So let's keep going. There is a slightly messy right now. I already took everything apart. PCM is out. I made some checking, check grounds, check wires from alternator, and nothing is damaged. I also got my PCM apart, how it looks inside. I would show you how it was while I was taking it apart. This thing was inside, that's why it's kind of weird how I took it apart, but it's only one way get it with any inner damages. So compound is only outside. If you want to do same stuff by yourself, just pay attention to do it carefully, don't dig deep inside, and everything gonna be fine. So if you do it with this angle, how I did, you can easily remove this part out and make some checking. It's aluminum one, it's corroded, how you see. Inside looks good. It's kind of intact except one place on the side. I don't know if I can show you really good. I can try to zoom it in. I already repaired. I found this thing. This trace is coming to pin 22 of C1 connector, and actually this one is checking voltage from generator. Since I already got it repaired, I can give you a tip. Here is C1 connector. Here is pin 22, and verify this issue. You need to check resistance between this pin and those two pins where are ground. After repair, this resistance was about 17 kilo ohm. Before repair, resistance was several mega ohms, so definitely something was wrong. So I cleaned this trace from, I don't know, like it's compound or anything, to copper, repaired it. My PCM is still apart, but it's already hooked to the wiring, and let's see what we got. So I'm in. I put my ignition key in, and that's a miracle. My voltage gauge is reading about 13 volts. Let's test it. Engine is running, no lights on the dash, no check gauges dash or check gauges lamp. It's charging well, it's showing 14 volts. Let's check under the hood. Here is my PCM apart. Here is my engine running and generator making noises, and my voltage reading, perfect voltage to get my battery fully charged. Let's check a little more. Let's see how it works. All good, no issue. So I put PCM back together. I sealed it around. Probably it took me longer than I realized. That looks good. I give it some time to get dry. And put it back in the car. Probably I shouldn't do all this thing, but I really appreciate this Jeep. It's a legend, so probably it's not a bad idea to give it a second chance. Okay, put everything back together. PCM on its place, all connectors are back. Oh, I forgot the coolant. So, okay, AC, and we need to get some juice to it. Let's see what it does. So, key in. Voltmeter is reading, all good, and my old friend is back to life. I like it. Hopefully this video will help you guys to troubleshoot issue with your Jeep Grand Cherokee WJ, and I believe many similar Chrysler Jeep cars can have this issue as well, like Jeep Wrangler TJ, similar years, probably Jeep Grand Cherokee ZJ, probably even Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm not sure, it depends on PCM, but I think they are pretty similar, and this issue is kind of similar to all of them. I feel power. Old school, they don't make like this anymore. Thank you for watching.